Welcome to Grill and Smoke BBQ. I'm Jeffrey. Today we're doing a little bit different. I'm not going to be doing a cook. Instead, I'm going to be doing a product unboxing. And the product that I'm going to unbox is this MeatStick 4X. It's in case you watch my show, you know I use the MeatStick X. So this is basically an upgrade to that MeatStick X. It's a new one that's going to be launching, I believe it's February 1st. So you'll be able to get yours. Also down in my link tree, there'll be links to products that I'm affiliated with, and you'll be able to get to the MeatStick that way and check it out and get one for yourself. So basically what you're looking at, let's go ahead and get it open. And this is what it looks like out the box. So you have your probe, which is here, and this is the charger for it. And it takes 2 AA batteries. When you first get it, you need to charge it for about an hour, 2 hours, and it lasts 70 hours off one charge. Now I don't know what you're gonna be cooking that takes you 70 hours, but if you are, it might not come out right then there that long. But basically, with this, it extends the range that this has for its Bluetooth capabilities. So with the MeatStick X, this had a range of 260 feet. But with this one, let's take a look at what it is. You get 650 feet of range off of this extender as opposed to the MeatStick X. Also with this, as you can see, it's the probe. Up here is a sensor. That's where you get your ambient temperature from your grill or smoker. And this ceramic handle. And it's good for up to a high of about 572 degrees Fahrenheit. So you can use this in almost anything. You can use it if you're frying, say, some chicken or a steak in a skillet, cast iron, or even if you're deep frying, this will be able to go in there as long as that temperature doesn't exceed 572 degrees. And usually frying, you're looking at about 350, so it's gonna work. Also in here, right in there, there's 3 more sensors. So that gives it a total of 4 sensors, which is the best thing you're gonna find on the market right now. And that helps make sure that you get the absolute perfect meat every time you use it. And all you do, you stick it in up to the tip and just let it go. Let it do its magic. And it does have an app, the MeatStick app, that you can use, and you can set the temperature for what you want your meat to be. Like if you're doing steaks, you want to get them to like, let's say 130 degrees. You can set it for 130 and let you know that it's about to get there, let you know when it's there. You go pull it off, you have that perfect steak that you want. Put it in a brisket, pork butt, pork loin, whatever you want to put it in to keep temp checks on. It's a perfect item right here. Also, it's dishwasher safe, so you can put it in there, get it clean, dry it off, throw it back in the on its base, let it charge, and you're ready for your next cook. So I'm gonna have videos coming up soon. Gonna be like a brisket, picanha, pork butt. It's gonna be all kind of stuff because y'all already know I use my MeatStick X. So I'm about to really use this one. And then I can tell you exactly how well it performs as I make these cooks. But until then, make sure y'all check out the MeatStick. And like I said, it's in my link tree below. Thank you for watching. And I'm out. See you on my next cook. Peace.